Do you want to enjoy 90% of the money that you make from your business, from your consultation, from your practice, or from your salary? 90% of the money that you make, do you want to enjoy? Close your eyes, cut 10%, and give it off to charity. That is the only way. 10% give it off. Where? Charity begins at home. What is home? Home is where your heart is. To your parents, to those in your house, to the workers who work for you, to your own colleagues, give it off. To your neighbors, maybe, give it. The remaining 90%, whatever may happen, will remain with you to look after you, care for you, and sustain you. I have no religious or political leanings, but what is the goddess of wealth, Lakshmi? What is it doing? What is she doing? She's standing on a lotus. Why is symbolically a lotus represented? It's a flower floating in water. With a certain weight, it can sink. Money can make you sink. The only way, what does she do? She takes gold coins and throws it outside. It is only when you give to the universe, the Bible says, give and it comes back manyfold back to you. Give and it multiplies and comes back manyfold. How many people suffering have I seen? How many people who are getting distraught, dejected, desecrated, and suffering like anything? Why? Even 1% they will not give. Cut your eyes, cut 10% of it and give it off. What does it mean? If you're making a lakh a month, 10,000, it does not belong to you. It can harm you. Money can harm you. Give it off. Take your colleagues for a movie or for a dinner or for your own brethren or in your parents or your neighbors. Give it off. That does not belong to you. The remaining 90% will remain with you. Learn that golden lesson, which is why in all major religious texts, a tithe, a tenth, or a toth is to be given off. Do that and see the miracle unfold in your own lives. God bless.